Good morning, children. Let us continue our lesson Natural Realms of the Earth. In this lesson, we are going to explain the topic about work of water. Work of water. Yes. In this topic, I am going to explain to you about work of waves. Waves, work done by waves. Yes, the waves are going to create different landforms. First, let me explain to you about the waves. What is a wave actually? Wave is disturbance caused on the surface of the liquid body, such as either it may be lakes, sea, oceans, bayous, etc. And the disturbance will is cause the water to move like in the formation of the ridges. This disturbance which is caused of the floor of the water, the body is called as waves. Okay, now these waves are going to form out different landforms. These waves are going to form out different landforms. So that topic I am going to explain to you. Yes, these waves will move with a great speed. Did you observe waves? Did you see in waves? How was that speed it is? Great speed. They will erode very good amount of material. Good amount of material. They will brought out all the sediments which were deposited out along with their movement. And it will deposited, it transported somewhere else on different landforms. Now, what landforms will be formed by the sea waves? Yes, according to our textbook, yes, sea caves, sea arches, stacks, sea cliff, cape, bay, beach. These are the landforms is formed. Yes, because of the erosion, transportation, deposition of the sediment by the sea waves, these following landforms will be formed. These following landform means what? Yes, these are the sea cave, sea arches, stacks, sea cliff, cape, bay and beach. Yes. First, let me explain to you about sea cave. What we will learn? Sea cave. Yes. Observe the given picture. This is the sea cave. Yes. How that sea cave will form? Let us see. Caves means all of you know, no? A hollow construction item that is called as caves. You might have to read in our previous classes. Our great ancestors used to live out in caves. We can very good idea about that. Yes. Then what is a sea cave? How the sea cave will be formed? How the sea cave will be formed? And sea waves, when they will move with a great speed. How was the sea waves will be speed? It is very speed. They will move and they will hit the rocks very rapidly. They will hit the rocks very rapidly. So, sea waves will hit the rocks which are present in the mid-oceans and mid-sea areas will be hit. Mid-oceans and mid-sea areas, in middle of the sea areas will be hit. The rocks which are present in the middle of the sea. The rocks which are present in the middle of the sea are oceans. Sea are oceans. With that, what will happen, children? Yes, cracks will be developed. The cracks will be developed on that particular rocks. The cracks will be developed on that particular rocks, and with that cracks, what happened? That particular rock will become a brittle. Brittle means weak it will become. Brittle means weak it will become. And slowly, suddenly the rock particular small particles from that big rock. So the rock is very big like this, slowly, steadily and rock material eroded out. Eroded out small rock particles and it forms out like a cave. Yes, once you observe here cave, it is cave shape only, no? It is in the middle of the ocean or sea. Yes. So because of the amount of the rock material will be eroded out. How it will be eroded out? Because of action of the seawater. What is that? Action of the seawater. Action of the seawater. So in this cave will like a structure will be formed. In this way this cave like structure will be formed. That's why cave is called as, it is sea cave. It is called as sea cave. And once you see another picture, Nana. Yes, look at here. And one more. So this is the first formation of the sea waves. This is the first formation of the sea wave. Yes. Then afterwards, the sea waves are continuously hit out by the cave. Cave, you know, sea cave. The seawater is again continuously hit out by the cave-like structure. With slowly and steadily, the material will be eroded out like the structure and form like a arch. And form like a arch-like structure. Did you see arches, children? Yes. See the given picture, children, here. It is arch. Yes, arch-like structure. Did you say arch? That main gate construct arches, you know. Yes, when we will never broken with that. So because of the entire material will be eroded out by the sea waves, that cave will be, the cave will be transformed into arch-like structure. Yes, once you observe, this is the arch-like structure. Yes, and so this arch-like structure formation which was made out because of the, very good, because of the sea waves is called as sea arches, is called as sea arches. This is the second formation made out by the sea waves. What is the second formation made out by the sea waves? Yes, sea arches. It is one of the another picture, sea arches. Yes, it is natural cities, natural sea arches. Yes, one more picture. Yes, this is the second formation made out by the sea waves. So, in this way, sea waves erode out the material and forms out arch-like structure, and these are called as sea arches. And after this also, the sea waves will not take rest. They continuously move and they hit the arches like structure. Arch like a structure. Then with this, what will happen? With this, what will happen, children? Yes, slowly and steadily here also this matter will be weathered out or eroded out, and this roof of arch will be break out. The roof of the arch, roof, you know, the roof of the arch will be break out into the pieces, and just only one side this wall will be left over. There will be no roof here at the top of the arch. So these side walls like a structure which are formed by the breaking of roof of the sea arches, that is called as stalk. Yes, once you see here, Nana. Yes, this is the stalk. So what will happen here? Arch will be break out here. In before picture, here are two arch here. These two sides will be broken. So at last how it will form? Will be left out. There will be no roof here at the top of the arch. So this side wall like a structure which are formed by breaking of roof of the sea arch, that is called as stalks. What we call stalk. Yes, famous sea stalk around here. One more picture also observe here. This is also one stalk and formed on the next landform. Yes, first we have to see this. This also stalk one, and next this. So on the next landform which is formed out by the sea, which are called as sea cliff. Next we have to see that landform it is sea cliff. Yes, you might have visited many beaches. Did you visit, children? Yes, which are present in our India. For example, Minikonnu beach, Kerala, and Gokarna beach, Karnataka. Like that, you might have visited that beautiful beaches in our India. When we visited out that particular beach, we will find that is at the coast of the particular sea area. Bay we will find, and a wall like a structure. Observe here, a wall like a structure. It will be the rocks and steep slopes, and it consists. So, a proper definition I want to find out, cliff is that a steep rock wall structure which arises this vertically above the sea level. It is vertically above the sea level, called as sea cliff. Called as sea cliff. Yes, one more picture. Observe here. Vertically, yes, called as sea cliff. So, but in easy words, in my explanation, that is structure of wall which is formed by the rocks. This the structure of wall which is formed by the rocks, and less will be the very steep in slopes. So what is this? Yes, these are the landform of the sea cliffs. Yes, I want to show you one more picture also, children. Yes. Yes, and then afterwards, still the weather out or erodes out the material, it will leads to formation out two rough broken materials. Uneven surface will be formed. Because of the erosion of the sea cliff, they are cape and bay. The cape and bay. Once you see here, this is the cape. Yes, what is cape? Let us learn. The cape is nothing but it is a high point of that and extends into the sea. It is extend into the sea, inlet into the sea, and point from the sea cliff, it extends into the sea. The edge point of the land is called as cape. This is the edge point of the land is called as cape. Yes. Do you know, for example, Cape of Good Hope, it is in South Africa. Yes. You might have to read in previous classes, you see. Isn't it? Yes, this is the cape. And whereas bay. Once you observe here. Yes, this is the bay pictures. Yes, bay is nothing but it is inlet of the water. It is inlet of the water where the land will take like say curve. Observe this picture here. It is a curve in shape. It is curve in shape, and the water will be like that. So this land will be take like a curve around it. The water will be curve around it. Middle water is there. In here the water is present, that inlet of the water. The water is present. This is inlet of the water, and around which and is curved out. That is called as bay. Yes, once again. So then after this, one more formation. Yes, before going to the next formation, again I want to explain to you that bay. Yes, so the water will be like this. So, and land will take like a curve. The land will be take like a curve around it. Here the water is present, this inlet of the water. Isn't it? So around which and is curved out, that is called as bay. Are you understood bay? Yes. So then afterwards, one more landform. It is last landform. It is in beach. Yes. Do you know one of the most beautiful part? Everyone can enjoy this here in this spot. Yes. How the beaches are formed, children? As the sea waves, when they are traveling out for many kilometers of distance along with the blow, there will be some sediments like some pebbles, cobbles, some rocks, etc. Some particles or sand is deposited. Everything there it will be bring out with their flow, and they deposited everything on that coast, and a piece of landform will be formed. and the piece of landform will be formed. These are the beaches. Yes. So beach nothing but the deposited of landforms which is formed by the sea deposition is called as beach. Which that beach will be formed. Yes. So beach is nothing but the deposited landforms which is formed by the sea deposition. Which is formed by the sea deposition is called as beach. With that the beach will be formed. Yes. Some examples I want to say to you children. Yes. Ramakrishna Beach and Marina Beach, there will be very good example. Yes. How these beaches are helped in children to the economy means there are most beautiful spot like how our waterfalls is useful. Some in same manner in before class I said waterfalls. Beaches also most beautiful spot. They are that why they will attract the maximum tourist for in and around the world. They will attract with this very good income government will get of the foreign visits that particular spot. We will get income into the form of exchange. So in such manner the beaches are useful to us. So these are the landforms which are formed because of the work of waves. Because of the work of waves. These are the landforms. What are the landforms? It is caused by work of waves. Children, once again, what are the landforms? Yes. So it is sea caves, sea arches, stocks, sea cliff, cape, bay and beach. Yes. Thank you children.